Hello my bunnies, welcome back. So today is another episode of Paddington's Pantry where my puppy Paddington and I make some dog-friendly treats. Today we're making some bubble tea or boba tea. Comment down below what you call it, but either way we're making some boba tea for dogs today. This is much healthier than the human version and Paddington absolutely loves it. And today is actually a very, very special recipe because this recipe is part of my new upcoming cookbook. I have it here. Well, I don't have it here. This is a canvas because they've been delayed. The shipping has been delayed because of COVID, but I printed it because I wanted to have something to show you. But either way, this is my new dog treat cookbook. It's coming out next month. It is packed with treats. And as always, if you pre-order the book, you get a ton of free goodies. So all the information will be linked down below. But anyways, yes, let's get into it and make some bubble tea for our puppies. So first we're going to start off with the pink flavor. Want to place some banana, cucumber, some thawed frozen strawberries or cranberries, and some liquid coconut oil into a blender and pulse until smooth. And I'll have all the quantities and everything listed in the description box down below, so don't worry, you don't need to write anything down. Then to make the green version, we're adding some banana, again cucumber, some honeydew melon, some sugar snap peas, and some coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for your dog's fur, so even though it's not technically necessary, it's super good for them, so that's why I decided to add it. Then lastly, to make the purple bubble tea, add some banana, cucumber, again coconut oil, and some blueberries. And if you'd like an extra concentrated blueberry color, use thawed frozen blueberries instead of fresh blueberries. Then sprinkle some blueberries between your little glasses and then just pour the bubble tea on top. And if the weather is warm where you are, you could actually pour this into an ice cube tray and make little frozen bubble teas, and I think your dog would love that as well. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Again, the link to buy the cookbook is in the description box down below, as well as a list of all the extra free goodies that you will get if you order the book before it launches. So you don't want to miss out on that because I mean there's so much you can get. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in 2 days for another dog recipe. Bye!